Hello everyone. Welcome to Computational Methods in Engineering class. I am RAKESH, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. In this session, I am going to explain one problem regarding Newton-Cotes formula. Use Simpson 3 by 8 rule to integrate f of x equal to 0.2 plus 25x minus 200x square plus 675x cube minus 900x power 4 plus 400x power 5 from a equals 0 to b equals 0.8. Second question is, use it in conjunction with Simpson's 1 by 3 rule to integrate the same function for 5 segments. We know the formula for Simpson 3 by 8 rule, that is 3h by 8 into y0 plus yn plus 2 into y3 plus y6 plus y9 so on up plus 3 into remaining terms y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 plus so on up. The short form is 3h by 8 into y0 plus 3 into y1 plus y2 plus y3. Here h means b minus a by 3. H equal b minus a by 3. Now calculate h by using the given inputs, that is a equals 0, b equals 0.8. 0.8 minus 0 by 3, that value is 0.2667. Now calculate the x0, x1, x2, x3. Initial value is 0. x1 means x0 plus h, that means 0 plus 0.2667, that value is 0.2667. x2 means previous value plus h, x1 plus h, that means 0.2667 plus h means 0.2667, the value is 0.5333. Next one is x3. x3 means previous value plus h, that means x2 plus h. Previous value is 0.5333 plus 0.2667 equal to 0.8. Uh, Now also calculate function values for these obtained limits. First one is y0, that means f of x0. x0 means 0, f of 0. Now substitute this 0 in the given function, that means 0.2 plus 25 into 0 minus 200 into 0 square plus 675 into 0 cube minus 900 into 0 power 4 plus 400 into 0 power 5. The answer is 0.2. Similar to calculate remaining functions, that is y1 equal to f of x1. x1 means 0.2667. Now substitute this x1 value in the given function, that is 0.2 plus 25 into 0.2667 minus 200 into x square, that means 0.2667 whole square plus 675 into x1 cube minus 900 into x1 power 4 plus 400 into x1 power 5. Now simplify this term, we get 1.432724. Similar to calculate y2, that means f of x2. Now you can substitute x2 in the given function, that means f of 0.5333, that equal to 0.2 plus 25 x2 minus 200 x2 whole square plus 675 x2 whole cube minus 900 x to the power of 4 plus 400 into x to the power of 5. Now simplify this term, we get 3.487177. Similar to calculate y3. y3 equal f of x3. x3 means 0.8. You can put x3 value in the given function, that means 0.2 plus 25 into x3 minus 200 x3 whole square plus 675 into x3 whole cube minus 900 into x3 power 4 plus 400 into x3 power 5. Now simplify this term, we get 0.232. Now substituting this y naught, that means 0.2, y1 1.432724, y2 equal 3.487177, y3 0.232 in the given equation 1. In the equation number 1, that means 3h by 8 y0 plus 3 into y1 plus y2 plus y3. 3 into h means 0.2667 by 8 into y0, this is the y0 plus y0 plus y3 into 3 into y1 plus y2. Now simplify this term, we get 1.519170. This is the answer for Simpson 3 by 8 rule. Now also calculate truncation error. We know the formula for Simpson's 3 by 8 rule, minus b minus a to the power of 5 by 6480 into fourth derivative of zeta. Now, now calculate the fourth derivative of the given function. Take f of x, that is 0.2 plus 25x minus 200x square plus 675x cube minus 900x to the power of 4 plus 400x to the power 5. First derivative is derivative this function with respect to x, 0.2 derivative 0, 25x derivative 25, 200x square derivative 200 into 2x, 675 constant, x cube derivative 3x square. We know the formula for derivative x to the power of n equal to n into x power n minus 1. 900 into x power 4 derivative 4x cube plus 400 into x power 5 derivative 5x power 4. Now again derivative now again derivative this function with respect to x, 25 derivative 0 minus 400x derivative minus 400, 2025 x square derivative 2025 into x square derivative 25 minus 3600 into x cube derivative 3x square plus 2000 into x power 4 derivative 4x cube. Now simplify this term, we get minus 400 plus 4050x minus 10800 x square plus 8000 x cube. Now again derivative with respect to x, that means third derivative, minus 400 derivative 0, 4050 into x derivative 1 minus 10800 into x square derivative 2x plus 8000 into x cube derivative 3x square. Now simplify this term, 4050 minus 21600x plus 24000x square. Again derivative with respect to x, that means fourth derivative, 4050 derivative 0, derivative of any constant equal to 0, minus 21600 x derivative 1, 24000 x square derivative 2x. The final value is minus 21600 plus 48000x. Now substitute the zeta value. Zeta means average of the given limits. Limits are a equals 0, b equals 0.8, 0 plus 0.8 by 2, that means 0.4. Now substitute 0.4 here, we get fourth derivative of zeta equal to minus 2400. Now you can substitute this value in the truncation error formula, that means minus b minus a power 5, that means 0.5 all to the power of 5 by 6480 480 into fourth derivative of zeta equal to minus 2400. Now simplify this term, we get truncation error for Simpson 3 by 8 rule is 0.121363. Now see the second question. Use it. Use this function in conjunction with Simpson's 1 by 3 rule to integrate the same function for 5 segments. We know the formula for Simpson's 1 by 3 rule. That means h by 3 into y naught plus yn plus 4 into odd events. That means y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus so on up. 2 into even ordinates y2 plus y4 plus y6. Here h for multiple function h equal to b minus a by n is already given, that is 5 segments. 0.8 minus 0 by 5, that equals 0.16. Now by using this h you can estimate the uh, x values. That means x naught equal to starting value 0, x1 means x naught plus h, that means 0 plus 0.16, that is 0.16. x2 means x1 plus h, 0.16 plus 0.16, that means 0.32. x3 means x2 plus h, 0.32 plus 0.16, that equals 0.48. x4 equal to previous value plus h, 0.48 plus 0.16, that equals 0.64. x5 equal to previous value x4 plus h, 0.64 plus 0.16 equal to 0.86. In the given question, use it in conjunction with Simpson 1 by 3 rule to integrate the same function for 5 segments. So you can use both formulas for this situation. The integral for the first 2 segments is obtained by using Simpson's 1 by 3 rule. The formula is h by 3 into y naught plus 4y1 plus y2. H means 0.16 by 3, y naught means 0.2, 4 into y1 means 1. After calculating x values, next you can calculate the y values for the given limits. After calculating this x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, now you can calculate the function values for the obtained x values. Y naught equal to f of x naught, f of 0 means 0.2, y1 equal to f of x1 equal to, now substitute this 0.16 in the given function, that means 0.2 plus 25 into 0.16 minus 200 into 0.16 whole square plus 675 into 0.16 whole cube minus 900 into 0.16 all to the power of 4 plus 400 into 0.16 all to the power of 5. Now simplify this term, we get 1.296919. Similar to calculate y2, f of x2 equal to f of 0.32. Now substitute this 0.32 in the given function. 0.2 plus 25 x2 minus 200 x2 whole square plus 675 into x2 whole cube minus 900 into x2 all to the power of 4 plus 400 into x to the power of 5. Now simplify this term, we get 1.743393. Similar to remaining next one, y3 equal to f of x3 equal to f of 0.48. Now substitute this 0.48 in the given function, we get 3.186015. y4 equal to f of x4, that means f of 0.64. Now substitute this 0.64 in the given function, we get 3.181929. Last one is y5 equal to f of x5 equal to f of 0.8. You can get this value 0.232. After calculating x values and y values, You can substitute these values in Simpson's formulas. The integral for the first two segments is obtained using Simpson's 1 by 3 rule. That means h by 3 into y naught plus 4y1 plus y2. You can obtain this formula by using Newton-Cotes formula. In Newton-Cotes formula, you can substitute n equal to 2. You can get h by 3 into y naught plus 4y1 plus y2. Here y naught means 0.2, 4 into y1 means 1.296919 plus y2 means 1.743393. This value is 0.3803237. For last three segments, the 3 by 8 rule can be used to obtain. We know the formula for Simpson 3 by 8 rule, that is 3h by 8 y naught plus 3 into y1 plus y2 plus 3 into y1 plus y2 plus y3. This formula also you can obtain by using Newton-Cotes formula. Uh, that formula you can substitute n equal to 3. 3 into 0.16 by 8 into y naught plus 3 into y1 plus y2 plus y3. That value is 1.264754. See here, first for the first two segments means up to x naught, x1, x2, that means y naught, y1, y2, y naught, y1, y2. You can use Simpson 1 by 3 rule. For the last three segments means this is the y naught, this is the y1, this is the y2. For the last three segments, the 3 by 8 rule can be used to obtain uh, this value, that is 1.264754. The total integral is computed by summing that these two results. That means first two segments is obtained using Simpson 1 by 3 rule plus last three segments, the 3 by 8 rule can be used to obtain this value. Summation of these two values, that value is 1.645077. Next one is truncation error. Truncation error for Simpson's 1 by 3 rule. The formula is minus b minus a whole to the power of 5 by 2880 into fourth derivative of zeta. B means 0.8 minus 0 all to the power of 5 by 2880. Already we calculated fourth derivative zeta, that value is minus 2400. Now simplify this term, we get truncation error for Simpson's 1 by 3 rule, that value is 0.273067. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.